Hello everyone, good day to all of you, and welcome again to our channel Best Ever Toy TV. And today we'll be doing another Tomica unboxing and review. This time we will unbox and review this Toyota 86 from Toyota, appropriately numbered Tomica number 86. A coincidence maybe? Maybe not. And this is the white variant. This has a special color. I think that was the red variant. Price at $229. So let's see what the car looks like. And this is the main line, part of the main line from Tomica. And if you haven't been collecting Tomicas yet, I tell you what, you should be, because they make wonderful cars. Some collectors don't like how their tires and rims look, but they keep their models as close to what the real life stock car looks like. And here it is, the Toyota 86, the white variant of the Tomica Toyota 86. Check out the car. Looks like a premium, part of their premium model, but this is just a basic car. Check this one out. Very clean looking, no decals, no tempos whatsoever. Check out the front of the car. The headlights are painted though, painted silver, which is a small negative for me. I wish that they made this one clear plastic. But look at the moldings here, the grills. Just looks fantastic. Let me adjust the lighting here, so you can see here the moldings of the grill. Looks fantastic. Again, these are the rims that they use, which some of you don't like, but they look fine to me. This car has opening features too. The front door opens, wobbles a bit, and snaps right back on place. Let's check the interior. I don't know if you can see the interior very well, but it is all black. So I'll just describe it to you if the camera won't allow you to see it clearly. So it is all black, wonderful molding. The steering wheel is solid circle, but everything looks good. I'm glad that the paint job of this unit that I have is perfect. So no opening, the hood here doesn't open. The spoiler is like that of the Honda Civic Type R. It is plastic. And check out the back here, the rear, the tail lights I mean, is painted red and silver. It has a small Toyota logo right there. Very good details. Has some weight to it. Very good indication that this car is built very well. Here's the base of the car. It is made in Vietnam. It is, of course, Tomicas make cars with all types of scale, from 1/64. They even make 1/63. This one is 1/60. I think I've seen 159 too. but I've noticed that they make cars and try to fit them inside the box as much as possible. So again, this is a 1/60 scale model. So it has suspensions as usual, and look at that, rolls very well. So this is our today's episode of the Tomica review of the Toyota number 86. This is the white variant, not the special color, which is the red one. And I hope you like this video, and if you do, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel, Best Ever Toy TV, and click the bell icon to get our latest updates. So thank you guys for watching. See you soon. Bye guys.